Alright, great news everybody. So, remember this? Yeah, with the motor that's not powerful enough. Boom. Here it is. A Clash Ansman Racing 28. I don't know, but basically 7.2 volt. Super high current. I think it's close to peak at 7 amps. That's going to make the blade spin round. Yeah, this will be a laugh. Richie's not here to stop me from doing anything stupid and hurting myself, so call me an ambulance. Howard's an ambulance. Howard's an ambulance. All right. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is remove the existing blades from the existing motor. So pull the existing motor out. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. And then what we've got to do is stuff the new motor in its place. Wherever the new motor's gone, there it is. It's trying to hide. I don't blame it. I'd be hiding too. Physically, it's very, very similar size. Apologies, it's quite sunny today, so hopefully it should almost be a direct replacement. I'm a little bit nervous that the spindle is slightly different size, but it's not that far off by the looks of things. And this guy has apologies for focus issues. This guy has a notch cut out of it as well, which may mean that we can stop things from spinning accidentally inside the rotor. Anyway, yeah. So, soldering irons out. The wonderful power bank of super duper batteries is here to play, and we will be plugging in. The 12 volt soldering iron into that shortly. There's the 12 volt soldering iron. This motor runs 7.2 volts as opposed to 24 volts, which is what the other motor runs at. So this may actually work in our favour. It will keep things lighter. Obviously we're going to need more than just 2 batteries, but it will keep things lighter, and hopefully yeah, well, I mean, you know, let's just see how this goes. Yeah, my favourite saying. Alright, so I'll put you on high speed, and I'll just go ahead and try and take care of some of this stuff. Alright, so I needed a few extra tools, and it became quite apparent we needed a switch, and what better kind of switch to put on it than one of these, a missile switch. So we've got to unsolder this motor. Unfortunately, this motor isn't quite the same size. It's got a little bit of play in it, so hopefully I'm going to make that up with a little bit of tape. The batteries need to stuff this wire across the back of them so that they're put in series. Yeah, so a little bit of work to do, but yeah, nothing too serious. So let's see how we do. Alright, so we've got the missile switch fitted, wired into the motor. We've got a couple of 18650s. I'm just going to go with a couple for right now. Those will get some cables on them. Yeah, we need to tape this thing up. We're making some progress. Righto, switch is plugged in, a couple of batteries on it, all soldered up. Very, very, very dodgy soldering. Probably a little bit too much thermal mass for my soldering iron. Motor with a screwdriver jammed in the side of things just to try and line things up. My hole obviously wasn't very straight. And blades on the back. So I guess at this point we get to turn it on and see what happens. Right, great news. Well, it just so happens that I have a glass coffee table outside. Hopefully you can see all of that. Blades there, switch here. I guess it's time to fire it up, and you know, don't forget that safety is #2 priority in this household. All right, here we go. Fingers crossed. Absolutely nothing. Awesome. Wicked. Why? Right. All those cables connected and made. Try that one more time. Nothing. I tried this motor before I put it in, so I'm pretty sure the motor works. Time to get the multimeter. Okay, so would appear as though I had a bit of a disconnect. So let's try that again. Whoa. Yeah, let's give that another go and spin it right up and walk away. Jesus. Whoa. Yeah, I reckon that could go on the grass. Let's see how we do. Okay, so here it is on the grass. Again, let's see how we do. Alright, not firing up. Oh, wow. Definitely, right, I got wrong camera, hold on. Okay, sorry for the rubbishy videos, but yeah, these batteries are rather warm, and trust me, we really haven't done much testing. There's definitely some grass cutting going on. That's working a treat. So we need to stack up on the batteries and give it the capacity it needs to be able to drive that motor. But definitely cutting grass now. Even when it's moving. This is looking very promising. Well, it's only fair that you get to see it moving, so here it is, time lapse of course. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, here she is. New motor, blades, wheels leveled. To see more of our wonderful robot lawnmower project when the videos come out, please don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Fantastic. Look forward to it.